Hi, I'm Craig Watkins, Product Manager of Racks and Cooling here at Tripp Lite. The Industrial Smart Rack Enclosure is ideal when you need to protect sensitive electronic equipment in harsh working environments that would overwhelm a typical rack. The enclosure has a NEMA 12 protection rating. It also carries an IP54 rating. This means it can protect your equipment from falling dirt, dust, drips, and splashes that are often found in industrial settings. The enclosure comes with 4 locking removable side panels, 3 of which have already been removed, and I'll remove the 4th one now so we can get a better view inside. Inside the enclosure are standard equipment rails, adjustable front to back to accommodate different depths of equipment being mounted. Also in the back of each one are 4 vertical slots for cable managers or vertical PDUs. Now let's go over some of the features. The front door is different than most IT enclosures. Instead of an open mesh design, it has ventilating louvers to help protect from dripping and splashing water. On the inside of the door, it has a full door seal around the entire perimeter, as well as these dust filters that are toollessly removable and can be purchased from any home improvement store. And now to the rear door. The same louvered ventilation design as the front, the same full perimeter door seal on the back, but to compensate for the added resistance caused by the air filters on the front, we've added 12 large high-performance fans on the rear door. These fans pull air through the enclosure to maintain the typical front-to-rear airflow commonly used. Maintaining this front-to-rear airflow is very important because it allows your equipment to stay cool and operate reliably. The top of the enclosure is sealed with a cap that keeps water and falling dirt from getting inside the enclosure. With everything sealed up, you might wonder how to run cables in and out without compromising the NEMA 12 protection. There are 4 self-sealing cable ports, 2 in the floor and 2 below the rear door. They allow cables to pass through, but they block the area around the cables. To protect from dripping water, the top cable access is protected by an angled service entry head specifically designed for keeping water from entering the enclosure while allowing cable access. The heavy-duty steel frame supports up to 3,000 pounds. The large diameter industrial casters also support up to 3,000 pounds, which means you can move the enclosure when it's fully loaded. And that's really handy because you can install all of your equipment in a clean environment, close the enclosure, and wheel it to the dirty environment with all your equipment already protected. After the enclosure is in place, the levelers allow you to compensate for minor floor variations and make sure everything is stable. If you need to host IT equipment in the middle of your factory floor, you can do it with this enclosure. It's perfect for locations like factories, power stations, construction areas, shipping facilities, warehouses, processing plants, transportation hubs, or anywhere you need to protect equipment from harsh working environment.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.